and I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care. Take care. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Moesoon. I record videos on faith, hair, beauty, and lifestyle. If you're not new but a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I greatly appreciate you. My peoples, you are the real MVP. So in today's video, I recorded this hair look using Flexi rod. If you would like to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. Wait, before we get into the video, if you're here and you have not subscribed, come on man, all you gotta do is click. Costs you nothing. Just click. Hit the red subscribe button down below, followed by the bell notification so that you can be informed when I upload a new video. Now let's get into today's tutorial. Alright guys, I'm starting with taking out my 2 braids. I recently trimmed my hair so my hair is a little bit straightened, and I will start to part in the back of my head. I like to work my way from back to front. Now I have sectioned my parting, and now I would apply this Pantene curl definer that I found in my bathroom and brush and detangle, and I would begin to tuck and roll my hair onto the Flexi rod. You can decide which direction you want to go, but it's not really particular as long as you follow the format, and you should be well. Section so you guys can see how big my sections are in the back. I don't have a lot of Flexi rods, so I'm doing bigger sections. I repeat the same method, put the Pantene curl definer on it. I should have wet my hair, but I didn't want to really wet my hair. I just wanted to put a cream or butter and go, but I realized once I was taking this hair out that I should have at least dampened my hair a little bit if I was going to use this Pantene curl definer. So I'm just repeating the step and twisting my hair onto the Flexi rod, as you guys can see. Alright, now I am showing you guys that I have moved to the front. I just wanted to give you a better view of what I was doing. I applied the Pantene cream, detangled and brushed my hair again, and tuck, roll, and start to twist my hair onto the Flexi rod. Again, another front view as I'm almost done, repeating the process. See, as you guys can see here, this is what I'm talking about. It's like leaving a little residue in my hair. I just wish I had dampened my hair or used another cream, because it's stuck in my hair. And I am done. As you can see, I'm so excited to be done. Now it's the next day, and I'm starting to unravel and separate the curls. When I separate each section, I start to separate each strand, I twist in one direction and I twist the other direction, because I like fuller hair and I'm not like a perfectionist. It doesn't matter to me that all the curls has to look the same. I just like different patterns in my hair, so I would just separate it as need be. As you guys will see, I'm twisted in opposite directions in the same section, just to give it a little bit of a dimensional look. As you guys will see when I was talking about the Pantene product, you could see like it left a little like flakiness to it. So I'm giving you guys a front view to see how I'm taking out the hair and just separating the strands and fluffing it out. So this is the final look, you guys. I was not expecting this much vroom vroom bam, this much va va boom. Hey, I wasn't even expecting this like length, because I cut, like you guys will see in the video, I trimmed my hair and I trimmed a lot off because I just wanted to get all the dead ends off and the ends preceding the dead ends, so that, you know, my hair will have a fighting chance and keep growing. And it turned out well. I am surprised because I thought it was going to be an epic fail with what was going on in the back. But I realized it's because I had bigger portions and I had a bigger flexi rod. But I would have preferred smaller portions like I did in the front with the orange flexi rod. So yes, I would definitely do this again. I want to try it on wet hair because I slightly flat ironed this hair, and I only flat ironed it slightly because I wanted to trim my ends and I wanted to be able to see more clearly than when my hair is wet. Sometimes I do it wet and I'm just like, nah, today I want to do it dry when I trim. So that's what happened. I'm liking it. This is really interesting. I like it. I love the volume. I know we have nowhere to go. It's just, it's a wasted look, Abby. I know, me myself, I know it's a wasted look, but it is well with me. If there's other videos that you want me to do, hey, just comment below as well and I will give those videos a try. So yes, this is it. Oh wow. Okay, I am ready, husbandy. I want to say thank you so much for watching. I just want to encourage everyone to be hopeful, be in good spirits during this pandemic. Please stay safe, be well. We will get through this together. It would all end well for all of us. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.